Alright, let's do the shooting range 0. The goal is to shoot this super high-tech rifle at the target, and shoot 5 consecutive targets. There's no aiming required, since the target is always located at the same place. And the rifle has a programmable camera that can see the target. We just have to write a simple program to fire the rifle when the camera detects the target object. And one more detail to note before we write the program. And that is, each target has a name that begins with the characters target red, follows with a bunch of digits. We will use these names later in the program. So, here is the Python script. These first 3 lines are just the standard overhead to start the program. First, import the PyJop module, and then connect the sim environment, and the third line is to reset the game with the reset method. And this line is to find the sniper rifle and save it as the variable, rifle. In this main loop, it continues to check if a target object is detected. And if detected, it then checks if the target name starts with target red characters, and if it is, then triggers a rifle shot. This process continues until exactly 5 targets have been shot, and the game simulator automatically terminates. This for statement checks if objects are detected using the rifle.getObjectDetections method. Note that this method returns a collection of detected objects, which is implicitly used as an iterable collection. That's why you can iterate over it using the for statement. Next, if an object is detected, then this if statement checks to see if the object name begins with the characters target red. And if it is, it fires a shot at the target. Lastly, this terminates the program. Alright, let's run the program and see it work. Great. See you in the next video. Bye.